Do you want to collect information such as education, age, and time availability from your course catalog students? Use the Course Catalog Form Builder add-on and ask them anything. Show a custom form on checkout while the student is registering to a course created with the base Course Catalog plugin. The Form Builder is a drag-and-drop quick tool to create different forms with no code. Let users fill in all the required and optional fields in minutes, like address or interests, and send the data to the admin. Customize each field, copy or remove them. Monitor all the submitted data per user's profile and extend your student base by collecting user information. To avoid extra actions, track the user's data visually with the Course Catalog Dashboard tool. Collect all information that is helpful and necessary for you and build an extra form with the Course Catalog Form Builder add-on.